Hello everybody, my name is Michel Bispo. I work for Thales Corporate Engineering. I'm the Agile Product Owner for the Eclipse open source Capella project, MBSE Workbench for the design of system, software and hardware architectures. I'm in charge of capturing operational needs coming from Thales, open source and external partnerships. I'm responsible for the Capella release plan, for which a close collaboration with OBO is necessary regarding the underlying layer Sirius and the commercial add-on Team for Capella, the collaborative solution for Capella. I'm very pleased to participate to SiriusCon 2018 and to present this talk, Building Capella on top of Sirius, a development perspective. In fact, my daily work. First, what is Capella? The scope and rationale. In fact, model-based can cover all of these topics. A lot of tools, commercial or open source, are specialized to a specific domain or mainly for experts in this domain with a dedicated user interface and semantic. But Capella is an open source MBSE solution which aim is to formalize specification and master architectural design easily. It provides a methodological guidance, intuitive model editing and viewing capabilities for system, software, and hardware architects. It relies on Arcadia, a field-proven model-based methodology that covers each engineering phase. Understand the customer need, define and share the solution among stakeholders, ensure engineering-wide collaboration, prepare subcontracting, early evaluate and justify architectural choices, prepare simulation, initialize iterative detailed design, development, and prepare and master verification and validation. So Capella is for architectural design and a bit more, as you can see. And the main target of this tool is not only experts, but it is also for DOORS, Visio, Excel users, customers, safety expert, product line manager, engineers, performance expert, design architect, EVVQ team, etc., etc. As you can see, Capella is a singular tool because it is open source and it is a tight coupling between the engineering method Arcadia and the smart Eclipse application. So Arcadia is the method and Capella is the tool. Arcadia is close to UML and SysML and NAF standards and shares many concepts with this language. The approach based on the functional analysis is structured on successive engineering phases with established clear separation between operational and system needs and solutions, logical and physical architecture. But Arcadia is simplified and enriched with Sirius-oriented diagrams modeling. So you will find diagrams to define functions, data flow, structure, interfaces, and behavior of your system. The focus is made on ease of use and complexity management. For that, there is a simplified semantic with unified colors to clearly identify functions, components, and interfaces, cross phases, and cross Sirius diagrams. The Arcadia Method Explorer, which is in fact a central interaction point for Capella users, provides suitable engineering activities, available diagrams, and modeling accelerators to improve daily productivity and master model complexity. Here are some examples of the key aspects of Capella using Sirius diagrams. Functional analysis with function breakdowns, data flows, scenarios, from which we can define interfaces between components, functional chains going through functions allocated to component instances, and many modeling facilities, accelerators, viewpoints for trade-off analysis, and of course, Capella is customizable, open, and scalable. Capella is now used in Thales since many years. More than 2,000 of engineers have been trained and coached to Arcadia and Capella. Now it is used in different industrial fields like railway, avionics, radar, satellite, simulator, etc., etc. Before going to the main part, which is the collaboration, just one word about the open source context to understand the strong collaboration. In fact, as you can see on this slide, the whole story of Capella started in Thales with first some working groups around language, methods, and tools. Then a practitioner-driven development leads to the first Thales internal solution called Melody Advance, now known as Capella. The solution was based on EMF and a DSL funded by Thales and OBO, DOREMI, now known as Sirius. Thales Open Source has started with underlying frameworks like EGF and DiffMerge that were contributed by Thales in 2012. Then, in 2013, the DSL Sirius was contributed by OBO. And finally, in 2015, Kit Alpha and Capella was provided as and hosted by Polarsys Eclipse Working Group, with a 3-year French collaborative project, the participation of research and academia and user organization, communities, service providers, tools and techno providers. For this success story, the collaboration between OBO and Thales around Sirius was very important. To understand it, just one word about the technical stack leading to Capella and the commercial add-on team for Capella. To build these products, you have in fact Eclipse, EMF, EGF, DiffMerge, Sirius, Kit Alpha, and in this ecosystem you have also some add-ons, some viewpoints like Capella requirement, add-ons like model XHTML model export. And to build it, you have a strong collaboration between Thales and OBO. As for Thales, we are more than 20 persons working on Capella and its ecosystem, 3 agile development teams, one for dedicated to Capella, one for Kit Alpha and add-ons, another one for advanced model-driven technologies. And as for OBO, we have a dedicated contract and point of contact for Sirius and Team for Capella in order to improve and faster the collaboration. How we build a release plan of Capella and contribute to the roadmap of Sirius? In fact, there is 3 inputs to capture the needs: Thales Need Capture Working Group, Thales MBSE Community, OBO Roadmaps for Sirius and Team for Capella, and Open Source Community. For Thales Capture Need, we organize iterative valuation and votes to select topics with the more added value for operational projects using Capella or Team for Capella. We refine needs and epics stories to implement, sometimes with OBO if it requires a new feature for Sirius or Team for Capella. There is a big picture of workflows, the different tickets and database, internal, collaborative or open source, to track a customer demand, enhancement request or problem report. For instance, an important need is asked by an operational Thales user requiring a Capella enhancement to improve his productivity or go further in the exploitation of the model. Perhaps this demand will require an enhancement of Sirius asked to OBO as a contractual demand funded by Thales. Then this new Sirius feature may require some Capella or Team for Capella customizations. So cross-code reviews are regularly done between OBO and Thales development teams. Capella ecosystem products and add-ons is very large. The development teams may contribute to several repositories. Thales Inner Source for some add-ons, for instance, property values management tool. Thales Internal Repository for internal workbench needs. OBO Repository, for instance, for the add-on Team for Capella. Shared Repository, for instance, Capella and Sirius. As for Capella development team, we have decided to use Agile Scrum method with 2-week sprint. So the product owner, me, is in charge to capture the need, clarify the stories, and define the priority of the backlog. Then the team is engaged in this development. We have, of course, the Scrum meetings, sprint development, sprint planning, daily meetings, customer demo and sprint review, sprint retrospective. And with OBO, we have some iterative synchronization meetings every 2 weeks. We share in this meeting the roadmap, the progress of accepted features, the Capella release train for minor and major releases. And of course, we collaborate on cross-verification, cross-pair reviews for code contribution. In this slide, we just present how we work in Thales, of course, Scrum, using Agile Jira Tracker, but also visual management with a board, very useful for daily meetings and follow Capella support demands. In fact, Agile is a constrained context for better quality delivery. Here is just an example of the timeline and incremental release trains we have in Thales, involving the 3 Agile teams, Thales and OBO. One minor release is planned in mid-year, sometimes more, depending on operational project needs, with some fixes and small quick win features. And at the end of the year, a major release with API modification and big features delivered and bug fix. To end this talk, let's give 2 scenarios leading to serious enhancement. On the left, development subcontracted by OBO, by Thales to OBO. The input is a Thales operational need to satisfy. The new serious feature required is funded by Thales. A related specification is proposed by OBO, reviewed by Thales. Then there is an OBO iterative development leading to agile demo to Thales user, sometimes with new user stories, refining the first need. For instance, in 2018, for the major release Sirius 6.1, we have subcontracted visibility mode feature to visualize all diagrams elements, either visible or not, with transparency mode. The other use case it is when we contribute directly to Sirius. The input is always an operational need, and we proposed to OBO a specification. They review this specification, and Thales iteratively develop and commit some code on Sirius with code reviews, leading to agile demo and etc. We step by step we build the new feature for the Thales user. For instance, in 2018, for the minor Sirius version 5.1, we delivered the representation link, the feature which allowed to link an existing diagram and have some navigation capabilities. Thank you for your attention, and bye-bye.